welcome back to your girl's channel. I am back with another video. I have done a greeny gold eye with a popping red lip for you dolls. If you want to see how this look was done, then carry on watching. When you're done, if you like this video, then please like and comment. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Enjoy the rest of the video. Out of the way. Okay, so we are going to start off with the base. So I'm going to prime my face with the Makeup Academy primer oil. And I'm going to also prime my face with the Angel Veil primer. I'm going to add my color corrector, and I'm using two items to color correct with. One is the orange color corrector from LA Girl Pro concealer, and the other one is the LA Pro concealer in color Tawny. So I mix both of those, and that gives me a nice peachy tone that is perfect to color correct with my skin color. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna color correct. So I've color corrected. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add all my face products. I'm going to add my foundation, my concealer, my contour, and get that all on. What I will do first is I'm going to go in with my NC42 concealer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply my Infallible concealer in color Cashmere, and this is from L'Oreal. I'm going to go into my HD concealer in color Cocoa, and this is from NYX. Also apply my foundation in the areas that are left. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer first. I'm gonna go in with my contour brush now. And I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and just basically like tie everything together. I'm going to get my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to put that in. Just going to push the products into my skin. And I'm going to go with my NYX HD concealer, and this colour is in beige. And it's just the last little set that I add. I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me powder. We're gonna deal with these brows. So annoyed, guys. When I open my palette, my like it's like the largest shade, one of the largest shades in the palette, and it's the chocolate gold, what the palette is actually named after. I fell out, and I love the tones and shades in this palette. Everything's so pigmented, so nice, soft, all of that. I'm very upset. I'm probably gonna try and incorporate that gold in it now because it's all on the floor. I managed to save a tiny little bit of it. By the time I close this palette and go to open it again, that's it. It's gonna be gone, so I might as well try and incorporate it into my olive green look. Very, very annoying. So we're just gonna leave that in the crease. I'm gonna go in with this green that I scraped from the Maxi Monster Mattes palette from Revolution London. It is this green here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go in with money bags. So I'm also gonna go in with Hoola for $1, and I'm just gonna put it in this area here. Money bags and just grab that under the eyes from now as well. This palette, Revolution Foil Frenzy palette, I'm gonna go into this gorgeous shade. So I used that gorgeous olive kind of shade from the Foil Frenzy palette, and I'm just gonna go in and just top it up with that gold that I told you that spilt everywhere. And you see why I'm mad now, because this shade is dolls. So I have added my lashes, I did my mascara. This look is basically done. I'm gonna just do my lips, highlight, and it's a rapidito. I'm just gonna use my gold highlighter because I have gold going on the eyes, so it will complement it nice. I'm actually going to be daring with my lip today, and I'm going to actually use this this red butter lip gloss called Madrid. I'm going to just use that on my lip instead of going with like a nude or a light pink, just to see what it will bring. So we have come to the end of this look, dolls. What are you saying? Are you feeling this look? Because I am feeling it. Love the popping green and the popping red that I've incorporated in the look. I am absolutely feeling it. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching this video. If you liked it, can you please comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like it as well, and I will catch you dolls in my next video.